In this video, we will learn to launch a web browser from Python. We can use web browser module of Python. This module has function to open URLs in browser application. It's just a simple code. We need to import web browser, then use its function web browser's function open and give the address URL that we want to open. Network stack. Just save it now. We will name it web.py and need to run it. Type Python web.py. We need to wait. It will open a browser for us and open that site. The browser is open and it's loading that site. The URL we gave it in our code. For more videos, you can subscribe to our channel. Thank you.